So I'm Deputy Sheriff Rios. I work with the Polk County Sheriff's Office. I've been with the Sheriff's Office for a little over a year. I grew up in Orlando, Florida, and moved to Polk County when I was 18. The reason I started law enforcement, I wanted to become a canine handler. That has been my dream and my goal since I was 16 years old. So I joined the Polk County Sheriff's Office because I was a dispatcher in Pinellas County and my parents lived in Polk County. So I applied and the opportunity arose, and here I am now living the dream as a deputy. So the Sheriff's Office, they have a sponsorship where they pay for you to go through the academy. As somebody who could not afford to go to school and have a job, it was definitely beneficial to be paid to go through the academy and have all your resources paid for. I also love helping out people who feel that they can't help themselves. Touching other people's lives is something that makes me feel like I'm doing my job. Actually, recently I went to a subject who felt suicidal, and she actually created a video and posted that she had an officer tell her some advice, and just knowing that I gave some sort of impact on her life brings me contentment, knowing that, you know, I changed somebody's life. I changed their outlook on life, and she's still here with us to this day. She's still pushing on, and that's what it is. It's about helping others who feel like they can't help themselves, being that light in the darkness. That's what I love. I would say follow your dreams. Don't let anybody stop you from pursuing what you want to do. If you feel like people aren't going to be supportive, you'd be very surprised at how much support you would have. I actually recently, I had a flat tire on my car, and I pulled into a warehouse, and across the street there was houses, and one of the citizens came over to my car and assisted me with fixing my flat tire. He gave me some tools, and we were able to get the flat tire fixed within 15 minutes, and then he just pulled right back up to his house. And it's the respect that we have from the community, that they want to help out us as much as we want to help them out. I feel like the community does love our sheriff's office. They love our county, because we live to serve and protect our county.